Alright guys, I cut some 2x4s. I haven't screwed them together yet, but I'm planning to screw them together like this, so we have this kind of like offset type thing here. I think that'll look cool. So how I'm going to screw it on is I'm going to take a screw. Pretend this is the screw. I'm going to take two boards, two of these, and I'm going to screw them straight down like this, like two screws each side. Screw them down so it's like tight like that. And then once I get done with that, I'm going to put another board on top and screw that one down into the one below it. And then I'm going to put another board on top of all these. And then I'm going to screw that one down on both sides. And then I'll leave a little bit of the screw hanging out on the top one. That way we can wrap a string or chain to it to hang it up. Alright guys, once you screwed all these boards together, you want to tape down your word or picture that you're going to be engraving. I'm doing hello for this project, just because I didn't have any sayings, but you can do whatever. You want to tape it down all over the surface, just everywhere the letters are, and that will be good enough. No need for glue or anything like that. I'm using the Makita router RT0701C. You can buy this for about 100 bucks. So let's get started. Alright guys, I just finished up, so let's see how it looks. Alright, you can see it turned out pretty well. Alright, next step will be to paint it, and then I'll just sand it down. So let's get started.